In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in ClickUp. Workspace Security 2026. Managing permissions correctly keeps your workspace secure and organized. So let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you're not already signed in, log in using your preferred method. You can continue with email or use a supported social sign-in. Choose whichever you normally use so you can access the correct workspace without issues. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, make sure that's completed as well. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo or your initials. Click that to open the account menu. This menu is your shortcut to key workspace controls. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you into your personal and workspace settings hub. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Admin Settings. If you see it, great. That means you have the permission level needed to manage people and roles. If you don't see admin settings, you likely don't have admin access, and you'll need to ask an existing admin to adjust roles for you. Inside Admin Settings, click People. This is where you'll manage everyone in your workspace. You'll see a list of users, and next to each person there's a role indicator you can click. Selecting that lets you assign or change their role based on what they need to do. Here's a quick guide as you make those choices. Member grants access to all public items in the workspace, which is good for core teammates who should see most ongoing work. Limited member restricts visibility, so they can only access items that are explicitly shared with them. This is useful for contractors or part-time collaborators who don't need broad access. Guest is the most restricted option. They can't use all features or be added to spaces, and they only see what you share with them, which is ideal for clients or external reviewers. Admin is for trusted leaders who manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. Only give admin to those who truly need it, because it provides broad control. After choosing the appropriate role, your changes save quickly. As a best practice, review roles regularly, especially after team changes or project handoffs. Keeping permissions tight ensures the right people see the right work at the right time.